Welcome back to Boss Gadgets. This is Amazon Deals Today. We've rounded up 30 fishing deals on Amazon. Let's get into it. A fishing sling pack that holds 3 tackle trays, your rod, and basically everything else you need on the water. The KastKing carry-all is $20.99, 30% off. Main compartment fits 3 3600 size trays, plus a side rod pocket, a built-in pliers sheath, molly webbing for add-ons, and even a slot for a 14-inch tablet. This little stool collapses down to basically a hockey puck and holds 400 pounds, which is a better strength-to-size ratio than most full-size camp chairs. It's 20.77 with 24% off. The fish scale structure is what gives it that capacity, and you get 12 height settings, so you're not stuck sitting too low on uneven bank. Carrying strap included, fits in a backpack or just clips to the outside of that sling bag. Full chest waders for $24.99, half off, and the boots are molded directly into the pants instead of stitched on, so there's no seam at the ankle where cheap waders always fail first. PVC-coated nylon keeps you dry. The outsole actually grips on slick rock, and H-back suspenders with quick-release buckles mean you're not fighting them on the bank. Sizes run 6 to 14, so they fit most people in the family. This UPF 50 Plus sun hat with neck flap protects your face, ears, and neck from every angle, and it's just $9.99, 17% off right now. Lightweight nylon dries fast, breathable mesh sides keep airflow moving on hot days, and the adjustable chin strap keeps it locked on in wind. Folds flat for your pack and works for hiking, fishing, kayaking, or anywhere the sun is beating down. These polarized fishing sunglasses cut through water glare with military-grade Grillamid frames and 2mm polycarbonate lenses, and they're just $27.98, 30% off right now. The rimless wrap design gives you a completely unobstructed field of view. Puravex coating repels oil, saltwater, and scratches, and 100% UVA and UVB protection keeps your eyes safe on the water all day. This floating fishing net with a telescopic handle won't sink if you drop it off your kayak, and it's just $17.97, 10% off right now. Built-in float tubes keep it on the surface. The rubber-coated mesh is gentle on fish for clean catch and release, and the carbon fiber and fiberglass handle extends to over 34 inches, then folds compact for easy storage. This fishing line spooler winds and unwinds line without twists or tangles, and it's just $25.97, 13% off right now. The conical adapter fits spools from 10mm to 25mm. The upgraded aluminum handle is 40% stronger than plastic versions, and the adjustable clamp fits any rod setup. Spooling a reel cleanly used to be a 2-person job. This does it solo in minutes. This pliers and scissors combo covers every line, cutting, and hook removal job on the water, and it's just $23.78, 15% off right now. Tungsten carbide cutters slice cleanly through mono braid and fluorocarbon. The 420 stainless steel construction resists saltwater corrosion, and spring-loaded jaws make one-handed operation effortless. These padded mesh rod sleeves protect your fishing rods from scratches and impact during transport, and a set is just $37.38, 15% off right now. 3mm of breathable mesh padding shields guides and blanks without trapping moisture. The adjustable lanyard keeps the sleeve secure around any reel, and a hanging loop at the tip lets you air them out between trips. Watching a big fish yank your rod off the boat is a nightmare every angler has had at least once. The PLUSINNO rod holder is $29.67, 10% off. Dual V-shaped clamp grips round tubes, square rails, or flat surfaces with 4 contact points, and the silicone pads won't scratch your boat. Rotates 360 degrees with fine angle adjustments, plus a quick-release strap that locks the rod in so it can't slip out. Pulling random metal out of a river with a magnet is a hobby you don't know you want until you've tried it. The FINDMAG kit is $17.99, 10% off. N52 Neodymium magnet rated to lift 500 pounds with a triple-layer coating so it doesn't rust or chip. Just tie it on, toss it in, and start reeling up the weird treasure of whatever's been sitting on the bottom for years. A sun hoodie with a built-in face mask for under $13 is hard to overlook. The isnowood is 12.99, 22% off. UPF 50 Plus fabric covers your neck, face, and arms in one piece, and the mesh face mask has ear hooks you can use or leave off depending on how you like it. Laser-cut breathing holes keep your glasses from fogging, and the seams are flat so it doesn't chafe on long days. An 8-pack of fish grippers means you'll never be the guy frantically searching the tackle box again. The Therwen set is $28.49, 5% off. 4 2-claw and 4 3-claw grippers, so you've got the right grip for everything from panfish to bigger, angrier catches. Metal heads built for actual repeated use, not the flimsy ones that bend on day 3. A UPF 50 Plus fishing shirt for under $9 is the kind of price drop you don't see twice. The BassDash tee is $8.54, a huge 55% off. 4-way stretch fabric so it moves with you, sweat-wicking material that keeps you dry on long days, and mesh panels on the back and under the sleeves for serious airflow when it gets hot. Loose cut works for most builds. A fishing backpack with a built-in cooler and rod holders is basically your entire setup in one bag. The MATEIN is $29.98, 19% off. The insulated cooler section fits 4 3600 size tackle boxes or doubles as actual food and drink storage. Side rod holders free up your hands on the walk-in, waterproof inner pockets keep your phone dry, and the front webbing holds pliers and tools. If your fishing rods are leaning against every wall in the garage, this is the fix. The SOYEEZE 28 rod stand is $59.99, 14% off. Holds up to 28 rods vertically with pea-coated jaws that grip without scratching the blanks. 3 tiers with a solid wood deck on top for rigging and a steel mesh shelf below for coolers and tackle boxes. Both side panels swing out so you can see every rod at once. Watching your rod get dragged into the river because your stand wobbled is a learning experience nobody enjoys twice. This rod holder set is $19.54, 15% off. Comes with a 10.6-inch extra-long ground spike that drives deep into mud, sand, or rocky shoreline, so it stays put when something big hits. Head rotates 360 degrees with a locking screw and a rubber cushion that grips the rod without scratching. Stepping on a sharp rock barefoot at the lake is one of summer's worst betrayals. These UBFEN water shoes are $32.99, 18% off. Stretchy polyester mesh upper that feels like a sock, 5mm foam insole with hundreds of drainage holes so water flushes right out, and a rubber sole with traction dots that grip wet rocks and pool decks. A fillet mat that won't slide all over the dock and has a built-in ruler is the kind of small upgrade serious anglers love. The KastKing fillet is $25.73, 29% off. 29 inches long and 15 wide, with anti-slip texture that holds your fish steady while you cut, and a 25-inch ruler printed right into the surface. Elastomer material wipes clean, doesn't soak up smells. A digital fish scale that fits in your pocket and recharges over USB-C is honestly overdue. The KastKing ToughTide is $9.33, 28% off, just over half an inch thick, 3 ounces in your hand, and weighs fish up to 65 pounds, accurate to 1/10 of an ounce. The memory function stores up to 8 catches, so you can compare or get the average across a trip. A line management bag that lets you pull the exact length of leader without untangling a single thing is the kind of organization upgrade you didn't know you needed. The KastKing BaitSpace is $23.74, 21% off. Holds up to 10 filler spools behind a removable divider, with brass grommets that feed line out cleanly and hook and loop straps to lock the ends down. A telescoping carbon fiber fishing rod that collapses to 17 inches and fits in a backpack is the move for travel anglers. The Jenseits is $29.99, 23% off. 24-ton carbon blank for real sensitivity and power, 6 ceramic guides that cut line friction for longer casts, and an extra long 10-inch EVA grip so you can throw two-handed without your wrist giving out. A 397-piece fishing tackle kit for under $23 basically sets you up for a season. The PLUSINNO kit is $22.96, 10% off. Hooks, Jig heads, split shots, sinkers, swivels, beads, snaps, bobber stops, the whole lineup, sorted into a waterproof box that actually floats if it falls in. The pieces combine into 12 different rigs, including Texas, Carolina, Drop Shot, and Nico. 300 high-carbon steel fishing hooks in 10 sizes for a price that makes stocking your tackle box a no-brainer. Sharp barbed tips hold fish securely once hooked, the whole tail design threads line fast, and the corrosion-resistant steel handles both fresh and saltwater without rusting out. 30 hooks per size covers everything from panfish to bass to salmon in one pack. These microfiber fishing towels with carabiner clips keep your hands clean and dry without ever digging through your bag, and 3 towels with clips are just $9.99. The waffle pattern microfiber is super absorbent, quick drying, and stain resistant. Clip one to your belt loop and you have instant access after every catch, bait change, or fillet. A simple essential every angler forgets until they need one. This Lucas Oil fishing reel lubricant keeps every moving part in your reel smooth and protected against rust and corrosion, and it's a no-brainer addition to any tackle bag. The precision one-drop applicator gets into tight spaces without over-lubricating. It works for both freshwater and saltwater reels, and a single 1-ounce bottle goes a long way. This knot-tying tool covers the hook while you tie so you never stab yourself fumbling with small hooks again, and it's just $13.99, 22% off right now. It works with hook sizes from 4/0 down to the tiniest size 28, simplifies complicated knots like the improved clinch and FG knot, and includes a built-in stainless steel line cutter. A neck flap that clips onto any hat you already own beats buying a whole new sun hat. The CoolNES is a 2-in-1 system with 1 mesh flap and 2 silicone headbands that work with caps, helmets, or any headgear you've got. 11 inches of UPF protection covering your neck, ears, and the back of your face, with a quick-dry breathable mesh that doesn't trap heat. Retying your line every time you swap baits is one of the most annoying parts of fishing. The Harmony Stealth Clips fix that for $9.99, 9% off. Tie your line to the clip once, then snap baits on and off in seconds. Black oxide stainless steel, so they hold up in fresh or salt water, with a sleek shape that won't snag in weeds. Comes in 3 sizes for finesse baits, medium crankbaits, or saltwater plugs. A full fishing toolkit for under $20 is the easy answer when someone in your life is getting into fishing. The Sidomma kit is $19.99, 7% off. You get a fillet knife, fishing pliers with lanyard, lip gripper, braid scissors, and a fish ruler all in one set. Stainless steel and aviation aluminum so they don't rust in salt or freshwater.